your support. Thank you teams for being patient. As you realize, I'm an old man and walking up and down will take some time. Stanley sir. Okay, it's 10 points for every correct answer that you answer, question that you answer. You like the BCCI? I don't. Don't tell them. Okay, we're going to be starting with a straight round of questions from me now that I've organized my questions. It's 10 points if you answer a question correctly. Okay, I will start with team A. If I ask you the question goes to team B. Sandy, it's coming on the screen. If you answer it correctly, you get 10 points. The question goes as a free bonus to table B. So if you answer it correctly, you get 10, there's no minus. The other 4 teams, if you know the answer, you've got to go for the buzzer. Okay? And it'll come to you after these 2 teams have missed, if you're the first team on the buzzer. But it's for you plus 10, also plus 10, but minus 5. Okay? And then the second question goes to the second team, so it's a free bonus to you. And the other 4, the question keeps moving. The other 4 teams you don't have to go for the buzzer. You ready? We just check if the buzzer is working. One at a time. Hold on. Bazinga. I'm the quiz master. You don't tell me. Wait. Move those jantra parties and all that. I have to see. I want me to see. No, you have to turn it, show to me. Yeah, okay, right. Table A, one second. Table A, Bazinga, press the buzzer. Okay, you'll have to say the name of the table. Yeah, what is your name? Shashank, Shashank, you have to be alive like me. I'm 50 years old and I'm alive. Come on. Shashank, you'll have to say table A and table A, fine, table A, right? Now table B, that's Bazinga boys. Where is it? Press it now. Wait till I tell you. Okay, reset. Then table C, AAP. Right. Then we go to D, that is 16. See such long names, then you know you have, with me IQ is low, my IQ is low now. So for me to remember that name, Intel inside, outside, yes. Okay. Next table E, XLRI. Okay. Then table F, Arbit. Right. Okay. All the buses are working. It's a trial question now, just to see whether.
We have a question.
Yes.
While you're asking a question to team A, it's apart from team A and B, other 4 teams can pounce.
Don't pounce on me, Ball. I'm happily married with 3 children, but yes, you can pounce on the buzzer. Yeah.
So while you're reading the question and the team presses the buzzer, do you stop reading or something?
No, how can I stop? It's their question. Press the buzzer now. But how foolish of you to press the buzzer when you don't know the question? So you can press the buzzer if you want to take a chance. My advice is don't press the buzzer till you've heard the question. But I will be giving these 2 teams a chance in any case. Because this is not a typical buzzer round. This is a moving. When I come to the buzzer round where all the teams have to buzz. Are you listening? Yeah, then, are you listening? No, he's not listening. He's the guy who asked the question and he's not listening. When I come to the normal buzzer round, then all the teams have to listen. Whenever you press the buzzer, I'll stop. That's the buzzer round. Okay? This is a trial question. Are you ready? Trial question. Wait for me to identify you, and we're testing whether Shashank is up and alive like me now. Are you? It's a trial question. Wait till you hear the question. What is the Quizmaster's weight? No, it's just a trial. Minus nahi hai. Koshish karo yaar. Ha. Team B. That's Bazinga boys. Quickly into the microphone.
75.
75 plus 100 points to Bazinga boys. Excellent answer. 25 kilos off the mark, but excellent answer. One more trial question. One more trial question. Are you ready for it? What's the Quizmaster's age? Shoo! It's for them. Shh. This is a trial. Yeah. Team D.
50.
Sorry, age?
50.
Oh, I said it. Anyway, if the question is leaked, it's leaked. Absolutely right. No point, but you're getting the hang of it. And the last question now. So Team D and D, don't press the buzzer. We're just trying for the other guys. Are you ready for it? Do I have any holes in my socks? Team F. Yes. Yes? You said 100 kilos. How much do both of you add up to? I don't think they add up to. But he's absolutely right. I have a hole in each sock. Everybody who wears socks has a hole in each sock. If you don't have a hole, how will you put your foot into it? You can't put your foot into the sock if you don't have a hole. Okay, now we're ready to go. Fun over, messages over, politics over. Question coming to you, Bazinga, that is a table A. It's a question straight from me before we get to the pictures. Tell me, what was Milton Friedman referring to when he said, it is one form of taxation that can be imposed without legislation? What was the great Milton Friedman referring to when he said, it is one form of taxation that can be imposed without legislation? So he said X is one form of taxation that can be imposed without legislation. What is X? Bazinga, table A. There must be several hundred people over here. It's late in the evening. You've had a long day. You want to have lots of fun. And you've been laughing, etc. As soon as I started the serious quizzing, you could hear pin drop silence. That is what I call organized fun and discipline. And that's what India needs, actually. So thank you very much for knowing when you need to keep quiet and knowing when to have fun. Yes? Are you trying? Bazinga boy. Has anyone gone for the buzzer? Team E. So you'll have to wait over there. That is XLRI. Are you trying, Bazinga? No mind, it's for you. Yeah.
Is it VAT?
VAT? Oh, yeah, I know what value added tax. Looking at me, you thought I was thinking of the 69, were you? No. Bazinga boys, table B. It's a free bonus for you.
Is it marriage?
Marriage is... He's got a sense of humor. He says marriage is a form of taxation that can be imposed without legislation. I fully agree with you. I want to give you 100 points. But no, that's not the right answer. I'm saying it loud enough because my wife isn't here. But I fully agree with you. And all those of you who will be getting married soon or whenever, you will realize that what he's saying is true. But XLRI.
Inflation.
Inflation. Very good answer. Inflation. Give them a hand. Lovely answer. 10 points to XLRI. Bazinga boys, also an NIT Jamshedpur team, table B. That means it's a free bonus for table C. That's the Aram Aadmi Party. Which Indian publishing house switched over from making Ganji Banyans and other innerwear also to book selling and book publishing? Team D. Okay. Yeah, the sound is soft, so it's okay. Rupa. Rupa. Rupa is I never knew it till I read it. The Rupa book publishers and the Rupa other guys are the same guys. So very good answer over there. Bazinga boys. Team B. That's NIT Jamshedpur. Tell me, Team C, Aram Aadmi Party, who is a Deleb? D-E-L-E-B. A Deleb. D-E-L-E-B. Free bonus to Team D, but wait. And Team E is gone for the buzzer. Not right. So Team D, that is the external mental, intels and outsides and mentals and whatever.
A dead celebrity is called Dilip.
A dead celebrity.
Like Michael Jackson.
Earning. Dead celebrity तो बहुत है भैया. But a dead celebrity, like the Beatles are dead,
earning the work and all.
But Michael Jackson is dead. But they're still earning. They're earning for people who are their heirs. A dead celebrity whose name or records or whatever or fashion line keeps earning. That's the right answer. Now I'll give it to you. I've asked this question before in a quiz, but people say dead celebrity and stop. That's not good enough. 10 points to the Intel Outside mental guys. Next question coming. Tell me, what is inertia selling? What is inertia selling? This is for D, so XLRI, it's a free bonus for you. You don't have to go for the buzzer. The others have to go for the buzzer.
Into online shopping. Basically, people who don't want to move much.
So, give the mic. Give him the mic.
Don't want to go to malls and shops.
So they sit at home and...
They get okay, their staff.
Sorry?
Okay. They get their staff okay at home only.
So it's basically ordering online and the delivery comes home.
Or call on phone.
On phone. No, can't give it to you. Now, it's an XLRI, free bonus to you.
So when you have bought something, you suggested something, so you're in the mood of buying something, so you have bought an object, so you'll buy another object because you're in the inertia of buying stuff, so it's pushing for you.
Clever, not right, but clever. It's good thinking. He's saying, you're in the inertia of buying. And I'm so fortunate. I'm, in this age of time of my life, only in the inertia of knowing. When I see one book, I finish it, I want to catch the next book. But my wife is in the inertia of reading and buying. Yeah. No? Bonus? No, you need to press the buzzer. Anyone press the buzzer? No? Press the buzzer then. Minus hai bhaiya. Because his question to D, then E is free bonus. Kya ho gaya? Chance do yaar. Quiz hi hai na? No, not trying. Anybody? Audience, anybody? I can't see you. Yep, over there. Sorry?
A gym name.
Gym name means? Gymnasium? A gym where you work out?
Kind of weight loss.
Do you?
It may be a gym.
You're making weight loss jokes about me.
Inertia means weight.
He's making. Oh.
Yeah. It
No,
may
no,
be a gym
no.
also.
No, inertia selling. Good thought, good thought. He's saying you're in the move, you're moving, so it's a gym. No? Anyone? Yeah.
Sir, home delivery, you sit at home, you order.
Somebody said home delivery. No? Yep. Last chance.
Sir,
You're on the right track, keep XLRI, but nobody can get the points because you're not right. Yes, quickly.
Sir.
Yeah, where are you?
Yes, sir, here.
कहाँ boss? यहाँ बोलने से नहीं होगा. हाँ, okay.
Sir, those companies who stop promoting their products and the products are still being selling like before.
Have you ever heard of a company that stopped? I don't understand what you're saying.
Sir,
They have no expenditure on promotion.
Yes, sir.
It's just selling on momentum,
Yes,
on
sir.
inertia.
Yes, sir.
Good try, but that's not right. Good try. It is a good try. Anyone? Yes. Last one.
It's reaching of unrequested goods to a person's
Very good answer. Give her a prize. Can we have some bigger audience prizes besides chocolates? Do we have some? You said there are some bigger audience prizes. दे दो. हाँ, यहाँ पे रखो भाई. वहाँ पे यहाँ. Come here. What is it? What is in this? It's three idiots. Huh? Hoodie, where are you? Give her a hand. Superb answer. Here's the hoodie. Okay, there you are. Oh, sorry. Bad throw. What's your name? Sorry, oh, I can't see. Purvali. Oh, Purvali was the one who's organizing the stage. It's basically when you get unrequested goods. You know what I mean? You haven't ordered it, and they send it to you with an invoice, and you can return it if you don't want. The inertia of receiving it and the movement will hopefully entice 80% of the people into buying. That's a very good answer. Good answer. Inertia selling. Now, XLRI, your question. What is lapware? L-A-P-W-A-R-E. L-A-P-W-A-R-E. Buzzer from D. So E, and now it's a free bonus F. is XLRI's question and then Abid. You can put it off, no problem. You can also go for the buzzer after them, but first it's D. Oh, is it? Yeah. What is Lapware, XLRI? Lapware. Quickly.
Accessories for laptops and mobile devices.
No, not right. We move on to Abid.
It's actually goods for infants.
Goods.
Wow.
Like chusnis and all.
Kind of for infants. For infants.
Chusnis and all. Diapers and all.
Diapers and all, yes.
Achha, no. Now we go to Intel Inside Outside.
This is basically meant for software, meant for babies.
That's right. Software meant for infants. Not in Gudris and nappies and all that. Software meant for, he'll make a really good father. He was so involved in his answer. You know? Good. But very good answer over there. And Intel Outside, inside, 10 points to you at table D. Last question of this round. There's a question. Okay. Has been asked definitely before. Let me see if you can remember it. In 1963, Warren Buffett bought 5% of a company's stock because of a rumor that the company was nearing bankruptcy because of a major swindle. Over the next few years, the value of the stock quintuplied and multiplied and made Warren Buffett a billionaire. And then he invested that money in other places also. But he became a billionaire with this 5% of a company's stock in 1963 because of a rumor he heard that the company is going to become bankrupt. So he immediately bought 5%. Which company? A. E. Once only. E. XLRI. So free bonus to Bazinga. Yep.
Yeah, BBC.
BBC. Yeah. Not BBC. Now, free bonus to Bazinga.
Is it Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola. No, I don't think there was ever a rumor about Coca-Cola. That's now XLR, right? Plus 10 minus 5.
Berkshire Hathaway.
No, that was the obvious one, but no. That's his company in that sense. Yeah, you see? Yeah. Minus 5 to table E, that's XLR, right?
Is it by any chance Microsoft?
1963. Even I was just created in that year. Okay, no. Anyone in the audience? Minus 5 to table C. Anyone?
American Express.
American Express. Give him a prize. Call him up here. That's a good answer. American Express. Where are you? If you can catch this, you will get another prize from me. Okay, you got to be ready for the catch button. It could go anywhere. It could go anywhere. Come on. Oh, a chocolate from there. Only one. Not the box. Only one. Okay. Chocolate of your choice. Let him choose. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Right, first round gone. First round gone. We'll go faster now. Faster. We're going for the connection. Right, now I've got to move away the little of me there is. You've got to take a look at this and tell me what connects. We're going anti-clockwise. No, I can't dim the light because I don't have the light switches. Can I get it dimmed? Passive voice. Yeah. Can we dim the light slightly? Okay. No. This is an open buzzer. Open buzzer. First team getting it plus 15 minus 5. Second team getting it plus 10 minus 5. Third team getting it plus 5 minus 5. So 3 tries. No, not the same person can't try second time. On the, yeah, it's only once. If you're the first on the buzzer and you get it right, you're plus 15. If you get it wrong, it's second team tries plus 10 minus 5. Okay, right? So you got to find the connect. It's entirely on buzzer, so it's not moving around. Yes, Stanley? Yeah, you're right. Lights a little lower. Lights a little lower, please. The lights a little lower. Can we have this light off, maybe? Oh, that one. Yeah, that's fine. Is this okay? Plus 15 minus 5. You find a connection. Quickly. No one? D, that is Intel. Unilever. No, minus 5 to Intel. No one trying? Second thought? No. Audience? Yep. Somebody there? Anyone who gets the mic? Wait, the mic's got to go.
Axe deodorant.
What is the connection?
That the axe and
And that's what you get if you use Axe.
model.
Don't be fooled. Don't be
that.
beta. Don't be fooled by it. Huh? Somebody is going to bring a case against the company and say, I tried it, but nobody's looking at me. Huh? Yes.
Killer Jeans.
What is the answer?
Brand, Killer Jeans.
No. The answer is deos or deodorants or perfumes. Axe. Sabatini, that's the great Argentinian tennis player Sabatini. She has a perfume named after her. Denim is a perfume. Poison, that's a sign of poison. It's a perfume. So if you said perfume, or you can clap for the quizmaster if you like the question, or deodorant, we should have got it. Anyway, next one. Ready? Find the connection. Who's team? B. B, that is, whichever, team B. Into the microphone, please.
RBI.
Why?
Those are the Yaksha and Yakshini in front of the RBI building, and that is.
And who are these people? Into the mic, right? Put your hand down, boss. No, put your hand. I mean, speaking to the mic is what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Delivery and power of communication is as important.